What's the meaning of bingo wings? Bingo wings. Bingo wings.
Bingo wings. Bingo wings. Bingo wings is a colloquial term used to describe the flabby or saggy skin that can appear on the upper arms of some people, particularly middle-aged or older women. The term is believed to have originated from the common sight of elderly women playing bingo, where their arms are exposed and it is easy to see any excess skin or flab. The appearance of bingo wings can be caused by a variety of factors, including aging, weight gain/loss, lack of exercise, and genetics. While not necessarily a medical concern, many people may feel self-conscious about their bingo wings and may seek ways to tone and strengthen their arm muscles to improve their appearance.